Imagine waking up to find your money has grown overnight, all without your intervention. Starting an investment requires not tons of money or a fancy job. Even if you are a total novice, we will walk you through exactly how you can create actual money from stocks in this video. Simple, useful advice to help you on the road to increasing your wealth. Not convoluted terms or complex charts. Let's start. 1. Knowing the mechanism of stocks. Why do you invest in stocks specifically? Consider a stock as a little piece of a large puzzle, a little portion of a major corporation. Purchasing a stock is really purchasing a tiny stake in that company. This implies that your stake of the company gets value as well when it's profitable. Imagine you own a little portion of a large brand you know, like Apple or Coca-Cola. When these businesses flourish, the little bits you possess will grow increasingly valuable over time. The key point, though, is how you choose the appropriate stocks for purchase. It is not about aiming darts and hoping one strikes the target. Actually, one can be wise about it without unnecessarily complicating everything. Beginning with firms one knows and trusts is one way novices love. Ask yourself on a daily basis which brands I use. These businesses are usually steady and could be an excellent place to start learning the trade-offs. We will then discuss a basic strategy to enable you to choose stocks sensibly without becoming overwhelmed, so that as you develop your portfolio, you can make confident judgments. 2. Beginning small. Constructing your portfolio. The best thing is that starting an investment requires not a lot of money. Some firms let you purchase shares even with $5 or $10. Starting modest is actually a wise approach, since it allows you time to learn without risking all of your money. One approach to begin is by creating a portfolio. Consider your portfolio as a sort of stock basket with several varieties. Every stock in your portfolio reflects a different segment of the market. Hence, if one section is not performing as expected, another may offset it. Over time, you will be better off distributing your money among several kinds of businesses, big and small. This guards your money from large losses. But as a novice, you could wonder how many various stocks should be owned. In just a moment, we'll teach you a basic approach to design a balanced portfolio without spending hundreds of dollars. Stay around, since we will discuss a clever approach to start with the appropriate stock count to keep things under control and consistent for your initial movements. Watch out for the next point. 3. Learning to negotiate the ups and downs of the market. Let us now address something crucial: the market swings. Stocks can be like riding a roller coaster. Your investments might rise some days and decline other days. Not to panic. This is quite natural. The secret is learning to remain cool amid ups and downs. Imagine yourself on a roller coaster. You stick on, since you know it's part of the ride, instead of jumping off right away when it dips. Likewise, investing is the same. Prices declining do not mean you are losing. Perhaps it is merely a passing phase of the trip. We will discuss how to effectively manage these ups and downs going forward, and even show you how occasionally downturns could present opportunities for your portfolio. 4. Reinvesting for more significant returns. Let us now focus on something quite strong: reinvestment. Assume your investments have slightly paid off. Taking that money and treating yourself seems appealing, but you will be creating something known as compound growth if you reinvest it. This is like allowing your money to grow on top of itself automatically. Consider it like a snowball down a slope. It starts little but gets bigger, and more snow gathers as it rolls. Over time, reinvesting your income can turn meager gains into something quite substantial. Hence, think about reinvesting the money you get from your stock. This starts a cycle whereby your money is continually working for you and is expanding more rapidly every time. Little amounts pile up. This is why millionaires throughout time have been able to accumulate. It's simpler than you might think. And one of the secrets to major returns, keep watching to see how this reinvesting approach can turn modest earnings into long-term wealth. 5. Determining your long-term objectives. Clearly defined goals are one of the most crucial aspects of investing. Reflect on your desired outcome. Perhaps it is for a dream trip, a down payment on a property, or even just a rainy day fund for peace of mind. Especially on difficult days, knowing your why helps you to remain grounded and inspired. Seeing your investments rise helps you to remain patient, since you know they are striving towards your future. Without a purpose, one may easily become sidetracked or demoralized. To keep targeted, list your objectives and go back over them often. You might be asking, how can I create reasonable yet equally motivating goals? We'll go over the best ideas in the next part for creating reasonable, inspiring goals that will help you keep on target with your money. 6. Avoiding typical mistakes. There are certain simple blunders a novice should avoid. The first one is stressing one stock with all your money. You are running a significant risk that might not pay off, much as if you were wagering all on one horse. Still, another error is selling too fast. Seeing the value of your stock decline can be tempting to sell and cut your losses. Remember though, the market swings, hence occasionally all you need is patience. Another frequent mistake is making investments based just on buzz. Popularity of a stock does not always indicate that it is a suitable fit for your portfolio. Research and know exactly what you are investing in, always. This will enable you to make wise decisions consistent with your objectives and prevent unwarranted losses. 7. Keeping updated without overloading yourself. Maintaining current knowledge is one of the secrets to effective investing. To be honest though, following every single market update, news headline, and professional opinion may be taxing. You do not have to follow all the financial news available as a novice. Rather, routinely examine a few trustworthy sites you know about. This might be a monthly newsletter, a YouTube channel concentrated on stocks, or even a financial news website. Staying informed of significant market trends and changes is the aim without drowning in data. Understanding what might affect your assets requires knowledge of several sectors, trends, even world events. Changes in government policy or new technology, for instance, can impact some stocks or whole sectors. Being knowledgeable enables you to make wise judgments and provides the confidence to weather changes in the market, since it helps you to better grasp the reasons behind them. Remember though, avoid fixating on every minor change. Try for consistent education, free from pressure to know it all at once. What's your main goal with investing? Write your answer in the comments space provided below. We look forward to hearing what you're working on. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe to get more beneficial tips.